think all EB5 projects are the same, think again. Many investors dive in without proper due diligence and end up losing their money and their dreams of a green card. Don't let that happen to you. Stick with me to learn why independent due diligence is a non-negotiable if you want to protect your future. Hi, I'm Rashika, CEO of Quantum Global, and today I want to highlight the one thing that could save you from regret in your EB5 investment: independent due diligence. Skipping this step, well, that's how investors end up in risky and unclear projects. And worse, it can cost them the green card that they have been working so hard for. Let's make sure that won't be you. Let me be blunt. If you're thinking about investing in an EB5 project without running your due diligence, then you're setting yourself up for a disappointment. It's that simple. Here's how independent due diligence can safeguard your future and your investment. Think of due diligence as your insurance policy. You wouldn't buy a house without inspecting it, right? The same goes for your EB5 investment. Without it, you're trusting that others would have your best interest in mind. But how do you really know? At Quantum Global, we have created a comprehensive due diligence with more than 40 crucial questions that we ask for every EB5 project. These aren't random questions. They cover key areas like project developer, who's behind the project and do they have a proven track record? About the project investment, who exactly are you investing in? And are they financially viable? Project feasibility, does this project have a real shot at success? Or is it all smoke and mirrors? Project financing, how is the project being financed? Is it stable or shaky? Exit strategy, can you get your money back or are you stuck in it for years without a plan? And potential conflict of interests are covered in these questions. By getting answer to these questions, you are arming yourself with clarity and confidence to make a smart and informed decision. Mitigating risks. Let's face it, every investment carries some risk. But with independent due diligence, those risks are no longer a mystery. You will have a clear understanding, making it possible to confidently move forward or walk away. Building trust with your EB5 partners. Here's the truth. When you've done your homework, you send a powerful message to the developers, attorneys, and even the regional centers. I am not here to play games. This encourages transparency and accountability, creating a relationship based on trust, something you will need when you take the next step towards your green card. Now, let me ask you, when you're looking at an EB5 project, do you stop and ask, what's the real story here? Is it too good to be true? Am I missing something? If you have never asked these questions, then it's time to rethink on how you're approaching your investment. Independent due diligence isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about making the smart choice for your future. Thanks for watching. And remember, at Quantum Global, your success is our priority.